Welcome to my channel about robotics and embedded systems. This video has as a topic my system on chip ESP32 right here, which is connected to electronics and servo motor. And the objective for this video is to expand the number of 7-segment displays to visualize the counts and the direction of this servo motor. That means that I have to add some hardware and change software. How will it end? I don't know yet, but I have to change to screencast to accomplish things. So before I can do anything, I need to locate a space where I can put the other one in. And the point is, of course, I want them next to each other. That means that I have to free up either this space or that one. And right now, this seems the more logical one. So I have to reroute the wires and the resistors and also make resistors free. So I have quite a bit of resistors here, which I don't need anymore. So free up components, put them in here and then start programming. And that means that I have to use the GPIO stuff of the ESP and the servo, because it is about the servo and the 7-segment display. So preparations first and then the rest. Let's see how that works out. First, remove everything that is not needed. Well, this obviously is needed, resistor, and I need 3 more. And I have to keep the materials intact, of course. Yet another resistor. And yet another one. So do I have enough resistors now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. 1 to go. Careful with the wiring. And obviously, because of the servo motor, not everything needs to go. This yellow wire can go. And some cleaning up. Then how many resistors do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe even 10. So the question is, will everything work in the end? I don't know yet. But also, yeah, resistors to be relocated. And that's going to be a big challenge. How to do that without touching each other, because the number of resistors for the second one, which I tentatively put right here, has of course to be the same. I don't know yet.